video. And guys, in this video, as you saw by the start, we're going to be making another AI video niche. Now this one is for you guys to go viral and for you guys to try it out and just see what niches can help you to go viral on YouTube Shorts. And even if you do want to go back to YouTube long form videos, you have the opportunity to do that by still being able to maintain the views that you want. But guys, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so now we've switched over to the screen recording, and now I can just tell you what everything you need to do and step by step of how you can just make a viral short video. So you guys want to start on by moving onto the app called Pixverse. They have an app and they also have it on the website, but I'd recommend you guys to use the website because you guys can sign in, use all the credits daily, then you can just make another account and use more credits. They give you 60 credits daily, but if you log into the app and you actually download the app, then they can give you extra 30 credits. So yeah, I'd recommend you guys to be using the application on the website. So first of all, you guys want to add the image from your photo library. I'll come back in a second when I added the image. Okay, so as you can see right here, I have the image of the cat, and you guys can really just choose what you want to use. So I would recommend you guys to just choose something funny, something that you think that your viewers would like, such as like a transition, a dance, a funny dance like these dances. The vroom vroom step is a popular one. People will be posting that and be getting about 100 million views, 80 million views. Also the subject free fever, this one right here, people post that and get loads of views. So I'd recommend those ones. You can really just post any of these and actually just go viral. Just depends how you edit it in CapCut. So once you've chosen it, which I'm just gonna choose vroom vroom step, you can compare, meaning that you can kind of change it from the picture to the dance. But I just want to do the image or text. So what we're gonna do is just describe the content that you want to create. So I'm just gonna say, make this cat dance in a funny way, and this is just gonna engage the person that's watching your video and just make them want to watch for longer. But make sure you include the hook. So the quality isn't going to be that good, but you can choose 1080p, but it's going to increase the amount of energy that you use, which is, I literally don't have enough for that. So what I advise you to do is to make a new account, or you can just download the app and you would be able to do that. But for this video's sake only, I'm just going to choose the 360p only version, which is the most convenient version for me right now, because I've already used some of the credits. As you can clearly see, I made the tung 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 Sahir videos, and that one actually got 8,000 views on a short content video that I actually posted recently. But after I posted another video and then it completely fucked. That's the thing I don't like about YouTube Shorts. When you make new accounts, if you post daily, sometimes you flop, sometimes you don't. But let's get back to the video. What I want you guys to do is just press create and just wait for a bit until it's done. So luckily it's quick because it's 360p. It doesn't take that much to render, and that quickly is done. Now let's just tap on the video and let's see what is created for us. Okay, so a cat dancing video, not bad. It's not that much, but you guys get the concept. You guys can create an 8-second video of a better one, and please use the template, because the template is more accurate and it looks more better. It's just more in order. And guys, I'll just quickly show you the template. By the way, this dance isn't bad, but the templates are way better. It's because it's more controlled. It's more like, it's just better. So where's the template? Yep. So I'm just gonna press off that. You guys can see the templates. Please, if you want to do AI dance, please use this, because it's just gonna make it look better. So let me just quickly. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much what you want to do. You want to add the image, then you want to add the template, and they'll create it for you. Since I have no credits, it won't show me, but If you have no credits and you don't have any new accounts and you can't create new accounts because he keeps on telling you to add a number, then please just download the app. It's pretty simple. Download the app. They give you credits every single day. And if you don't really mind about the quality, about it being 360p due to the fact it's shorts, then you can make about 3 videos a day due to the fact that there's only 20 to create. So you guys can just literally just grow your channel just like that in a very, very simple way. And all you have to do really is just add the what's it called, the sound inside of the YouTube app, and voila, that's it. But guys, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like and subscribe, as this helps my YouTube channel and helps me to bring in more viewers as well. Peace.